If you could produce a helicopter that could extend the payload and double the range and increase the speed, there's be a lot of people interested in that type of machine. There's a lot of applications, offshore industry, even cross country.
We are working on a pressure jet helicopter, or otherwise called reaction jet helicopter. This helicopter uses pressurized air to give propulsion to the blades through that the air goes through a hollow mass, through hollow blades coming out of special vanes at the tips of the blades, thus giving propulsion to the blades. Right now, this helicopter is going to perform some conservative maneuvers just so that we can prove the technology in this helicopter. Once we move from here and we prove this, then we can go on in the development of the more complex helicopters.
Helicopters are largely limited by the amount of stuff they can lift, how fast they can go. They're great point to point, driveway to driveway. But if the driveways are separated by a great distance, it becomes problematic to get there. So if you can produce a machine that can do all these things, still lift, get there very fast, and get there with a super efficiency, there will be a very, very large number of people interested in that technology in all aspects of the helicopter industry.